Defenders of the earth. Out of the sky, his rockets ignite. Jets into battle.
Hi! Unbox natin tong ano ko, NECA na Defenders of the Earth, si Flash Gordon. Ayan, oh. Ito yung box. Ayan. Side. Top. Tapos yung back. Ayan.
Hindi ka po to alam.
Hindi naabutan ni Gabe to. Open natin. Classic, no? Ganda. Ayan, ito yung loob. Ito yung laman. Mga accessories. Ganda, oh. Kuhain natin. Yung mismong figure. Solid fig. Ganda. Smell check natin. Bango. Kuhain natin yung mga accessories. Here's the blaster. Meron din siyang yan, blast effect. Yan. Ganda. Meron ding small blast effect. Ito. Ito yung sword niya. Ganda rin. Post natin. Here's Flash Gordon with his blaster. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Classic. Ito ganda, oh. Angas. Haba, oh. Kahit nakatayo mo lang to i-display, oh. Napaka-pogi, oh. Forma, oh. Yan, oh. Flash Gordon, Savior of the Universe. Ganda. Angas. Wow. That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.